So, one thing I have to point out, I have to big up Mikey about the cleaning up process after his party.
After party, yes. Big up him.
I respect that. Him did kind of, me did feel attacked at one point when he come talk about buying headphones. Sir, me never ready for buy my headphone.
Yes.
Right? So that's why me that tell you to hold up, wait a minute.
Yeah.
It's a chopper.
Alright, so basically, tell them what happened.
Right, so basically we were there, holding our reasoning. Everybody, we did there for a while. Right? We start with drinking from a good while. We never ready for buy the headphone them yet. And we were actually in the process of discussing, so alright then, we're ready for buy headphone them now. And he approached and he said what? What did he say?
He said something like...
What now buying the headphone, now buying the headphone. So I'm like, hold up, bro, hold up.
Yeah.
Like, let's take it down a couple notches. Like, that approach is not the right one, especially when it comes to me.
Yeah.
Because I know my head kind of, right?
So basically, you shame Rasta.
Yeah, you shame me. No, you're not shaming me. It's not necessary shaming them. It's the approach.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with a promoter asking his patrons, I'm not ready for buying the headphone. Headphones are ready, they're ready for you. But it was just the approach.
For the event, to say, people will get to the event.
Right, the approach.
Come to individual.
Right.
About event.
It looks.
You're pressuring.
Right. Me to feel as if it's a bad up approach to me. But now I buy none.
No, you know music tonight.
Hey, I just want to stand up and talk to my friend and drink.
It's a good, because the headphones actually, because remember, in the 90% of the dance we keep, most people who go in a dance hall, they don't pay to go in.
That's true.
So, in a sense, with the headphone party, it's a way to eliminate that. So that's why them so much emphasis on people getting the headphone, because it's obvious to know if your people come to the party because you don't have the headphone. So that's kind of what he made a try to say, but you just do it the wrong way. So big up yourself, Mike.
Right. So that is that's the problem I had. But yes, the cleanup issue, which we had spoken about a couple weeks ago, promoters need to put things in place to clean the area. As much as that where we were wasn't a park per se, the park was on the right hand side, but at the same time,
it's part of the park.
It's a part of the park, right?
It's a good part of the park.
Trust me.
And
trust me, it was very, very good.
He didn't utilize it the way I thought he would. I thought he would have secured the entrances so people only allowed to stay in the cage area with the headphones. So
right. Because I think he tried. I think he saw it later on.
Formula Woogie, them still not use it.
Still not use it.
Yeah.
So.
When I talk about when I start phone next time, as people care about headphone or nothing. When you guys lose headphone, it's down to you promoters. Yeah. You need to pay about the people and for them thing, because there's so much ways for you
can't
to
prevent
it.
this.
I don't know how to do it. Because I was telling you how much time. Remember, get an ID. Everybody have an ID in England.
True.
Especially the Jamaican community. You have to have ID if you come here, Nobody who come to my party, them not come from banana boat, Just 2 hours in a day, big man. So just do the thing the right way, because when them go a pub or them place there, them have to carry them ID.
Yeah. I went to an headphone party the same night, and there was roughly about 1,000 people there, if I'm not lying. Maybe about 900 to 1,000. It was wholly blue lights, you can't stop seeing.
Yeah, sorry.
And they're in this big cage. And every time somebody want to go outside, you take the headphone, and when you come back in, you get it. That party, if they lose 1 or 2 headphones,
it must be a
sign, because I know nobody couldn't come out with the headphone. Them search you, even if you have a bag, you come out, them check your bag. So I know that proprietor or that promoter win. True. Because nothing to lose that night. Everything good for that night. Yeah. So, yes. Anything else we need to discuss, because the time past the approaches. Big up the people on Facebook,
Yes, big them up.
Yeah, we soon have Archives going to be here live with us this evening, so stick and stay for that. And also we're going to be having Jamaican music forever.
Reggae music.
Reggae
His name is Sean.
No, I mean, I like calling Sean.
No. His name is Sean. Let us set the thing properly. His name is Sean. He operates the Reggae Music Forever platform, which is the voice with reasoning, the voice of reasoning.
Yes.
Right? So we're going to be talking to him a little bit more. Are we doing anything else?
No, there's other things to do, but you know what? The time constricts is very constricted this evening.
Let's do the upcoming events quick and fast. Right? So everybody know